been a lot of places, I've seen a lot of faces, hoping that I'll find something on my mind. Jesus are my wishes, and faith is never misses to wish upon a star. Though we near or far, how was I supposed to meet you? My chemistry was out to get you. Dance on every stage, impress you. The incident was an accident of love. The incident was an accident of love. Respect is due to you. I know that I love you. Oh yes, it's true, you do too. But the incident was an accident of love. The incident was an accident of love. Gone to separate places, and we dealt with all the cases. Always on my mind, see you all the time. Not certain if you feel it the same way that I'm feeling. Time can only tell, we're still under that spell. How was I supposed to meet you? My chemistry was out to get you. Dancing every stage impress you. The incident was an accident to love. 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 Respect is due to you. I know that I love you. Oh yes, it's true that you do too. But the incident was an accident to love. The incident was an accident to love. 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 Thank you.
Okay, get your Kleenex out now. This one has been known to bring tears to the eyes of grown men and women. Well, mine anyway. Beautiful song by Julie, which I think if we could only manage to get it on a record, I think would, who knows. One of these days. This is called Love.
For you to enjoy. Love, what have you done to me? You have made me run the race. You have made me set the pace. Oh, love, look what you've done to me. I was new to your embrace when you took me to the place of heart. Oh heart, what's left inside of you? Will you learn to live again? Skip a beat to love and say you will follow anywhere love leads. Oh heart, let all the joy rush in, stimulate and revitalize you. Let your heart say, life I love you. Say you'll follow anywhere lovelies. Life, you have been true to me. I decide what I deserve. My decisions makes it clear. Oh, life, you have cut deep in me, tearing the walls of barriers down, teaching love to who knows how to receive. Oh, heart, what's left inside of you? Will you learn to live again? Skip a beat to love and say you will follow anywhere love leads. Oh, heart, let all the joy rush in, stimulate, revitalize you. Let your heart say, life, I love you. Say you'll follow anywhere love leads. Say you'll follow anywhere love leads. Thank you. Captured my heart, my soul. I live and I breathe for you. You cherish me, I cherish you. And in my thoughts you'll always be. Bones on my bones, flesh off my flesh. Created for you, I am your soulmate. I'm happy to know your rib is my red, and for you I'm sensitive. What am I gotten from your strength? Carry my love with self-esteem on everything. Forever life's road we take, forever rejoice we make. We'll still be one, holding strong, together till end the last days. Bones on my bones, flesh off my flesh. Created for you, I am your soulmate. I'm happy to know your rib is my rib, and for you I'm sensitive. What am I gotten from your strength? Carry my love with self-esteem on everything. ever seen.
Right, my Julie. Is this another new song that you haven't played very often?
Definitely, yes.
Ah. Why am I even saying that?
Say it again.
I'm not even sure why I said that, actually. Well,
you might not know.
No,
it,
but
Steve.
that's personally, that's. I'm not going to do that anymore because it's. I don't want you. You might feel nervous that we're going to mess it up, and then we're absolutely not going to mess it up. I suppose I just wanted to say it's new, and it's fresh and.
Don't be nervous. You're
Anyway,
the
it's a lovely song. And is anyone in Cardiff for a sort of day out from Merthyr or anywhere like that, or are you all local Cardiff folks? Whitchurch? Oh. Rhondda. Oh, yeah. Hey,
Happy birthday.
Fantastic. Happy birthday, Joe. Can we? Can we? What key? G. Happy birthday, mate. I managed to avoid my birthday this year. I run away from them now, but you're at an age where you can appreciate them as they come.
He's copying me.
We try. We try to forget how old we are at this age. Right. You're only as old as you feel, or something like that.
Can always change. Become new.
There we go, yes. Okay, should we actually play now?
Peace all around me. From troubles I'm letting go. I know for sure I won't be trapped in wonderland, and so the story goes, the wise man knows, and so do I. I've changed my mind, I'm free to be the other me. 'Cause I've become you, I've become you, I've become you, I've become you. No sacrifice for you, no hanging out with you, no enmity to you, not dedicated to you. I've become you, I've become you, I've become you, I've become you. Joy, I have found you. I've searched and learned that you delight in peace, and everywhere I go, you've been before to open doors of hearts to gladness. And I am holding on, not letting go, now that I've found you. Till you have become you, I've become you. No sacrifice for you, no hanging out with you, no enmity to you, not dedicated to you. I've become you, I've become you. I've become sacrifice for you, no hanging on with you, no energy to you, not dedicated to you. I've become you, I've become you, tell you I've become you, I've become you. Thank you. Thank you.
The missing last chord. Oh, it's a lovely song, that. I really like. I become new. That's just so full of optimism. We can all become new.
Oh, sure.
Yeah.
Thank you,
right.
Steve.
How are we doing? Oh, we're okay. This is a lovely. I say Julie came from originally Jamaica. She was born at a very early age, and you know, started out there. That's the old ones are always the good ones. And how long did you live in Jamaica, Julie?
Half my life.
Okay, so you're 36 now, so you were there for 18 years?
Ooh.
Ooh. Can you believe this woman is actually 40 years old?
Dare you? He cooks for me, he cleans for me, he washes all my dirties. He smiles for me and he cries for me, but I'm still not his lady. 'Cause he talks to me like I am to be the granddaddy shitty record. He's never wrong, though I am strong. That's why I'm not his lady. Oh. It's not too funny, your love promised me. It's all dark and some angel. His love cries to lead all sadness in me. Now I am his baby. Well, he promised me he'll never deceive. His love has driven me crazy. I never believed I would have ever achieved a love that's so amazing. Oh, now is the time, oh yes it I changed my life and wake up. Polish my shoes, I've got no time to lose. Well, I'm flashing on my makeup. Meet up in town, well, love's flowing down. My life I've got to shape up. Got one life to live. I'm gonna give someone a chance to make it. Oh, shy bubble met sexy a la run, come with the sensation. Girls envy me 'cause Paul says I'm ready. Love in the city but not in the street. Oh, I love my God and I love sing my love songs. We won't stop what the world will receive. Time stood still as we sign and deliver. Sexy a la love, shy bubble. Sexy a la love, shy bubble. Sexy a la love, shy bubble. Sexy a la love. Sexy a la love, shy bubble. And so, well, and so, in my kingdom, a flag on my castle. Joy fill my heart like the flag in the wind. Shy lover put this ring on my finger. 9 months later, whose baby's so sweet? 9 months later, whose baby's so sweet? Shy Bubba is the king of the beast. He's sweet. Well, he's sweet, and it's both that I dream of, the one I love. But when my life I'll spice up the love. We'll hold on together like two love dove. But when my life I won't mess up the love. Hey! Thank you.
I think this is possibly, we should have announced that as the penultimate song, as I wanted to say that word for a long time. But this is our ultimate song, I think. Oh, unless we get asked to sorry. Unless we get asked to do an encore, of course. Hint, hint, hint. And it only takes one little shout of more, a very quiet one. It doesn't have to be a big deal. You can do it from the back. Just a little tiny more, and then we'll do another one, I promise. Fantastic.
Steve.
Yeah, if no one else does it, mate, will you?
Steve.
Sorry. Okay, don't say anything, okay.
Give you the chance. Are you ready to stay? Now will you stay with me until the break of day? When it's over and done, will it be understood? My decision is the reason why you leave. 'Cause if you give me pleasure like I know you really could, I cannot forsake you 'cause your love for me is good. Come on baby, captivate and activate my love and be good, like I know you could. Give you the chance. Are you ready to stay? Will you stay with me until the break of day? When it's over and done, will it be understood? My decision is the reason why I believe it. 'Cause if you give me pleasure like I know you really could, I could not forsake you 'cause your love for me is good. Come on baby, captivate and activate my love and be good, like I know you could. You're fantastical, you're magical, super bombastical. Your love is fantastical, it's magical. Love is fantastical, magical, super bombastical. Love is fantastical, it's magical, fantastical, it's magical, fantastical, magical, super bombastical, super bombastical.
Julie Gordon, ladies and gentlemen, all the way from Grangetown and Jamaica. And she's a great hairdresser as well. Did I hear a little? Aye! Shall we? No, I think we're not going to bother with all that palaver of walking off stage and pretending that. Because actually, I don't think we need to do one more, don't we? Otherwise, we won't get paid. Well, thanks for asking us back. We really wanted to go, but.
Ain't he funny?
Right. Thanks, Libby. Forgot to say, wasn't she good over there on that fiddle thing?
Oh, yeah.
Didn't know she was a proper musician. Thought she was just like, you know. Yeah. On assorted percussion, including box. That thing he's sitting on is cajon, but that's just Spanish for box. So he's playing the box and cymbal. It's a wonderful instrument. The only instrument I know that you can actually sit on and play at the same time. Trust Greg to get one of those.
Steve on the guitar.
Oh. Okay.
Our final song. But a stranger I didn't know, he could tell me of your games, going around all over town, spreading rumors on my name. Well, it is your way to lurk about in secret places in this town. This is my hope as well as your own. You won't take it all alone to set up your trap, create mishap, raging lion in a wait. It's never too late. Who is your bait? But it is me, the one you wait. But in the wink of an eye, my tear I'm dry. In the blink of an eye, you realize that I'm drinking from before across the skies. In the wink of an eye, oh me, oh my. Misfortune canceled world of things. My gold set back on my wedding ring. I'm anchored down the one-way street. My spells denies me many things. Bright lights, street lights went down on me. She more blesses my blue eyes see. My hopes, my cares, and all my fears diffused into the open air. And in the wink of an eye, my tear ran dry. In the blink of an eye, you realize I'm twinkling from afar across the skies. In the wink of an eye, oh me, oh my.